So we have set the DC link to 378 volt, 374 volts. So from this auto transformer, the rectifier is inbuilt in this HPM module, and accordingly we have set the 370 volts. Okay. So now I will press the K5 button, and the motor will start rotating. So we have applied the duty is 57%, and the speed is coming 1323 rpm, 30 rpm, 35 rpm. Okay, and this is the phase per phase current. So it is lightly loaded now. So let me check the speed with the tachometer. It is 1400 rpm. Okay. And it is coming accurately. So now I will change the speed by varying this duty cycle. Okay. So now I will increase the loading. I am also giving the load. So in the open loop operation, you can see that the loading will affect the speed. So the speed is reduced. So I'll further increase the speed. By increasing the current, the loading is increased.